How to navigate the Disney Plus interface. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Start off by launching your Disney Plus application in your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in and your application is up to date. Over here, the most basic icons that you will see is your download option, your profile, your home page, and your watch list. In the home page, you can browse through your desired shows or genres. If you want to see or add in your watch list, just tap on the watch list icon, and here you'll find every shows or content that you have added to your watch list so far. Similarly, by tapping on the download icon, you will find all of the contents that you have downloaded in your Disney Plus account. Now you can easily remove it as well. Tap on your profile icon if you need to adjust any of these settings within your profile. You can even make it as a kid's profile and control the content that is visible in your Disney Plus. So those were some of the basic Disney Plus interface you need to know. Just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.